Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian from A Tiny Product Lab and Mindful Marketplace. Here is a really quick collection of, I think it's 11 framer Lincoln Bio style replacement designs. Some of these are really, really cool. I put this together for our Tiny Product Lab community. You can download the whole thing. The ones that are the most interesting to me are this one here. I'm going to show it to you in a second, and this one here, which is also really interesting. So let's look at this one first, really fast. This is called, and it's free, and these are all free, I believe. It's called Social Folio, and if you look at it here, it has a very feed like design, so you can actually build a store. Here's your profile. It has a very social stream kind of feed, so it emulates what one would expect to see on, something like Facebook or Instagram or something analogous to that, but it's your own site, right? So, I mean, it's actually pretty cool. It's free, and you can download it uh, right here. You can hear my pug snoring in the background. He's not interested in any of this stuff. All right, here, let me see the other one that I wanted to share. There's a couple other ones here that are really, really good. Let's look at this one here. I really like this actually. This is quite a different style, but it's very bold, very. It's a little less Lincoln Bio oriented, but it's really short. It's easy to edit, and it has a very sort of, just an audacious kind of aesthetic, which I really happen to like. The typography is really nice, big fonts, very, very easy to make edits to. I installed this or remixed this for free about a week ago and built something for myself in literally, 40 minutes that looks great. I can share that with you if you would like as well, but not in this video. Let's look at this one here is also really interesting. I wouldn't use it because it's just not my vibe at this point in my life, but it has really, really like just a nice, creative, colorful design. It's great for these like short videos. If you're someone who does a lot of TikTok videos or YouTube shorts, etc., you can see here it has this just a really nice animation engine, and I just happen to really like it. It just wouldn't necessarily be the choice for me, right? But it's, I mean, I know a lot of people watching this are probably life coaches or work in the mental health space. And, especially if you're a coach, I think maybe more than a therapist, this is really a fantastic sort of design. I think anyway, it's much more influencer oriented, which is why I think it's called like influence or influenza. Influenza. That's probably not the right choice of a name for a branding portfolio, but I get the intention there is probably to say something akin to influence, and they just kind of landed on this, which probably isn't the best choice, but that doesn't affect the quality of the template. All right, let's see if there's anything else here I want to show. There's a couple other. This one here I actually am using as well. I really like this. Let's look at this real quick. And it has this very just kind of unique aesthetic. The font treatments are cool. They have this, kind of like cool rock, paper, scissors app game playing in the background. All this is editable, of course, but it's just unique and it's cool. And I think it literally took me as a dum dum, 20 minutes to like swap all this stuff out for my own stuff for a little mini course I did on this again in the last 4 or 5 days for non-designer types of my own community. All right, so check all these out if you want this. Actually, this I created a series of these for different framer style agencies. If you're interested, you can download it at the link below. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. As always, I appreciate you watching or listening, and have a wonderful day.